Hello viewers, how are you viewers? I hope you are fine viewers. Today I will discuss with you cock. What is cock? Let me see the function. What the cock? Cock. What is cock? Was cock call? Coil contains a lot of impurities. However, coke is obtained as a resid and is far more refined. Impurities like carbureted hydrogen, naphtha, and ammonium are removed from coil. In the gases from their form, coke is mainly a pure from a carbon. Abbreviation is a natural law of language. Coke is the friendly observation from the trademark Coca-Cola. In 1945, Coca-Cola gave in the force of its customers and retirements the nickname. The first advisor slogans to use the word Coke appeared in 1948. How acidic is Coke? Its pH is reported to be 2.6 to 2.7, mainly due to H3PO4 phosphoric acid. As a fizzy drink, it contains plenty of dissolved carbon dioxide, but this makes very little contribution to the acidity. Coke actually contains a fairly short list of ingredients: carbonates, water, sugar, which can be sucrose or called fructose, corn syrup, caffeine. Coke, a solid carbonaceous residue derived from low sulfur bisphenol, from which the volatile constituents are derived off by baking in an oven at temperatures as high as 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, so that the fixed carbon and residual ash are fused together. Coke is produced by heating coal at high temperature for long periods of time. This heating is called thermal distillation and pyrolysis. In order to produce coke that will be used in blast furnace, coal is usually thermally distilled for 15 to 18 hours, but the process can take up 36 hours. Coca-Cola was first made the way it is known in Columbus, Georgia. It was called Pemberton's Venture Wine Coke at first and was sold as a medicine to help cure cold and give people more energy. The drink used to be sold at soda fountains in the United States is all soda called Coke. On the west coast and in New England, people are more likely to say soda, whereas in some parts of the South, people say Coke or Coca-Cola to refer to any type of carbonated beverage. You will likely hear pop in states like North Dakota and Minnesota. The Coca-Cola Company NICE is a total beverage company with products sold in more than 200 countries and territories. pH is a milk. From 6.4 to 6.8, milk is considered to be citric acid to near neutral on the pH scale. The pH of milk typically range from 6.4 to 6.8, with 7 being neutral. Coca-Cola is halal in Islam. In the US, also regular and diet Coke are halal, but not only. The when you take a look Coke with zero sugar is halal also. The ones you need to look at are the some additional flavorings. There can be some ingredients that are not allowed basis on Islamic law. I hope guys you understand what is Coke. Thank you so much guys for watch this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much guys for watching the lecture of Coke. I hope you understand all.